Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Web Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Gmail account in just a few simple steps. Whether you're switching to a different email provider or just want to clean up unused accounts, I'll guide you through the process safely. Let's get started. Step 1. Logging into your Gmail account. Start by logging into the Gmail account you want to delete. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on Data and Privacy. This is where you can manage all the personal information and settings related to your Google account. Find Delete a Google service. Scroll down to the Data from Apps and Services You Use section and click on Delete a Google service. Sometimes you may need to enter your password for security reasons. On the Delete a Google service page, you'll see a list of services linked to your Google account. Find Gmail and click the trash can icon next to it. Google will ask you to provide a different email address for signing in to other Google services after Gmail is deleted. Enter a non-Gmail email address and confirm. Remember, deleting your Gmail account will also delete all of your emails, so make sure you've backed up any important information. Additionally, this will not delete your entire Google account, just the Gmail service. That's it. You've successfully deleted your Gmail account. If this guide helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Easy Web Tips, and hit the bell icon for more straightforward digital tutorials. If you have any questions or need help with other online tasks, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.